And we are live. Hello, everybody. Welcome in. Take a seat, get comfortable. Hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic. Hope you had an absolutely fantastic weekend. So, we're going to be checking out the brand new song called Exhale the Chainsaw by the band Exhale the Plague. So, a little bit of a backstory with this band. They hit me up about 3 months ago and they were like, do you want to hear our first ever song? And it was called The Timekeeper, and I was like, yeah, fucking right, I do, because I love it when bands send me stuff for me to listen to. It's one of the many fun things about doing this whole thing. Also, never hesitate to send me your shit. So I checked that out. Really enjoyed it. Very brutal deathcore with some melodic elements in it, and the guitars had this kind of, what's the best way to describe it, like scratchy quality to them. Like it almost sounded like he was hitting the strings with like a fucking, like a coin of some description. It was really scratchy, and it didn't suffer from being overproduced or anything like that, and it was just so fucking heavy as well. It's very impressive stuff. So they they were like, we're going to be releasing new music, and I was like, cool, hit me up when you guys do, and they did. So we're going to be checking out Exhale the Chainsaw imminently. I've heard 5 seconds of this track. It auto-played when they sent it to me. The only thing I know so far is that there's a sound of a chainsaw, but that's not really much of a spoiler for anybody, I hope. The music video looks absolutely fucking amazing as well. I think it's like I think it's Casavia. That's great. Yeah, if it could just get really sunny just as I'm about to film a video, that would be fantastic. Okay, that's fine. I'm a pretty pale dude anyway. Let's just get on with it. Hang on. God almighty. Maybe I'll be able to do this professionally when I grow up. Right. Okie dokie, without too much more rambling, Exhale the Plague, Exhale the Chainsaw, brand new song. Let's go. Good lord. Music video's fucking tight. This guy's got a mean guttural on him. Oh yes. Man, this dude's got some lung capacity. Fucking hell. just keeps on going. Jesus. Are we done? Are we done? Is there any more music, or is it just is this just gonna continue? I just think and okay, we are done. Right. Exhale the Plague. Chainsaw. That was cool as fuck. That was really, really cool. That's a serious lung capacity that dude's got. Like, Jesus Christ, that was just one brie into a guttural, into a brie. That was like pretty. That was some pretty mad shit. That guy must be doing his hill sprints or something, because that is a very impressive, very impressive lung capacity. Like for sure. The music video was super good. It was chunky. It was just unrelenting the whole time. Like there was just no break whatsoever, and I like it when. I like it when there's. I do like it when it comes to deathcore, when there's like when there's like a little bit of a refrain every now and then, like just like some like some maybe just like some gentle melodies or something like that to go right and then go back into the brutality. I also like it when bands are like, nah, fuck that, we're just going to be as brutal as humanly possible. And that's exactly what they did. Yeah, solid stuff. Very solid stuff from Exhale the Plague. It'll be very interesting to hear what their upcoming EP sounds like. Which I can't actually. I thought I had the name of it there, but I don't, because like I said, I'm an amateur at this. But really enjoyable stuff, solid stuff. Yeah, didn't completely blow me away. They haven't like instantly became my new favorite band or anything, but yeah, very solid, very fun stuff. And I cannot speak highly enough about those about those vocals, particularly just the actual length that the guy was able to hold those gutturals for. Yeah, solid stuff. Very entertaining. So, as per usual, links to all their socials and the music video will all be down below. If you enjoyed the track, which I'm fairly sure you guys will, go leave them a comment, let them know how sick the song was, give them a follow, give it a share, give it a like, support in any way you can. It's good to support these new up and coming bands. Keep your eyes peeled as well, because I'll very likely be checking out the rest of their stuff as well, because I'm quite intrigued by this band so far. Yeah, very impressive stuff. Okie dokie. Thank you very much, guys. Take it easy, stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.